Welcome to your Vahchef mini-me videos. Short, simple and super tasty. If I have to tell one flour that is very versatile, that should be our chickpea flour, what we call besan. Today we are going to make this special besan ki laddu with ghee and nuts. First, take a pan, add half the quantity of the ghee. Add 1 cup of besan and mix it well. It will be like slightly crumble, but mix it well. And now you add the rest of the ghee and slowly cook it. For 10 to 12 minutes of cooking will slowly change the color, and also the aroma will be so sweet. Once this is cooked, you will see some of the ghee slightly showing up. Now you can add some nuts and mix it. When you see the ghee slightly coming out of the mixture, that means the mixture is all ready. You can add sugar, you can add powdered sugar, but today I am going to add brown sugar and switch off the flame. Add little bit of cardamom powder, again mix it. You can rub some of the ghee onto your palms, take the mixture when it is warm and turn them into small laddus. I am telling you, when you bite into these laddus, they have a nice crunchiness. Also, they literally melt away in your mouth. Dear friends, you got to make this. So let's go ahead and try them. I'm going to give you 5 tips. Whenever you are roasting this gram flour, the besan, do it on a low heat. The longer time that you cook will result in very nice aromatic flavorful laddus. Using thick bottom non-stick pans will give the best results without much effort. If you are using non-stick pan, always use a spatula or wooden spoon. Instead of using sugar or powdered sugar, use half the quantity of sugar and half powdered sugar. This will help you get that nice crunch as well as binding the laddus much easier. 10 to 15 minutes of slow cooking. Do not forget to add chopped nuts. Switch off the flame and then add powdered sugar or brown sugar. Then you will be able to make these laddus much easier. Besan, as I have told you, is the #1 ingredient in a lot of Indian desserts. Dear friends, making the besan laddus, they shine, they literally make you fall in love with them. And look at them.